just down below there. Sunshine.
Sunshine and fresh snow. All I see is a wall of snow behind me, and it's a scrape the track.
Oh god, too much sunlight for the lens.
Yeah. Too much sunlight for my lenses.
Tunnels of white stuff. Hope Chris brought the chainsaw to work.
Must be okay today.
I think so.
Just day off. Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesdays.
Maybe not.
That's what happened last time. The last Tuesday there was road chaos.
Yep.
So, I knew it was going to be a bad day. I took it off.
Oh, he's always got those good comments.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it starts snowing. Yeah, that's where I ordered it for.
It's very right on time. Excellent. I'd like to get Aaron to get Aaron's team to get my snowboarder wax.
No time like this morning.
Because we went out, I did some street runs. Well, you know, out of just suburban snowboarding on whatever night it was, Sunday night. Rode Southridge Drive, and turns out it wasn't completely quite deep enough in places.
Come to my front lawn.
The front lawn's not that exciting, though.
They like cross-country snowboarding.
Yeah, it's not that cool.
Well, I tend to find you end up with very sore legs.
Yeah. I was enjoying it more when I didn't have a grid truck and a bus in front of me.
Yeah. Well, you know, we might get the open road again soon.
I don't know if the grid truck plays those games.
Yeah. Piled up on the side of the road. See a view of the mountain. The sunlight in the lake. Sign upside down.
Now, what would be impressive would be to see a motorsport hill climb on a day like today. I think it would take them slightly longer than 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Well, Chris said that in the old days when the road was still gravel, they used to have all the local young guns have a go on who could get the furthest up the road.
Oh yeah?
Just see the mountain. There we are. Oh, grit truck's out of the way. The dust isn't playing ball. So yes, I could definitely imagine them all having a go on who can get the furthest up the mountain. There she is. And even keep the sunlight out of the way. See the depth of the snow that fell overnight. I'm thinking today would be an awesome day to go to Takino actually. If you could get up there.
Yeah, could be a bit of an avalanche.
You'd have to fly in.
Go up the road.
Yeah. Well, desert road closed, and I doubt.
Just traversing from this side.
Good point, that would work. Okay. Truck towing chains. One's taking it up the hill.
Yeah.
Oh god.
I was wondering the same thing.
Oh, there's Ellen. Days like today at Takino, it's practically a staff-only day.
Yeah. Pretty sweet, really, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Mountain is looking beautiful and white. All the black patches are gone. Starting to get a bit worried last weekend that a bit of black was starting to show up.
Yeah.
So, Mother Nature must have heard my calling.
That's awesome.
Flickering in the sun. Scrape the road because the ski death could have had a road skiing championship fastest to the bottom.
Heli boarding down it.
That's sorry there.
Do a helicopter ride to the top and
Yeah.
leave the road nice and clear.
It's indicating to pass.
Yes.
Something heli skiing the Owakuni Mountain Road. Start at the top of the high noon and finish in Owakuni.
Might be a long run.
Be worth it. job to get up the road. Not slipping yet, but scraper truck coming down. Whoa, look at it. Perfect view of the mountain. I believe it a bluebird warning that there's more snow to come tonight. Whoa! Look at it!
Oh, it's amazing, amazing.
Might need a hand with the PC up at the Giant today.
We might need mini hands. Mini hands that made light work. More time for snowboarding then.
Definitely. Look at it. We needed this powder and it's perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, here comes the test for the Subaru. Infamous hairpin. Feared by drivers everywhere.
What I don't like happening is meeting the blade truck on the other way, but I know I've got them both behind me, so it's alright.
Yeah, it's true. We want to meet that on this corner. Do they keep both of those blade trucks down the bottom? Well, halfway up, don't they? Alright.
Anyways.
Around the bottom of the hairpin.
Choice. Showing my camera. Should have bought it. Nearly did.
Hopefully marketing will be here today. Yesterday was knee-deep powder at the bottom of the meadow. The rumours getting the trails smoothed out. Otherwise snowboarders tend to get stuck in the 60 centimetres of powder that we've received.
At least they made it twice as far as those skiers.
Yeah. Definitely cancelling my course this week and doing it next week.
I guess.
As the roads south are a bit treacherous and I've only got time to travel in the evening when they don't think you should be travelling.
Yeah.
And of course I've got to go skiing this week, which is more important. Better hope the trainer doesn't see this.
Inevitably they will, because you'll be gloating over it.
Wow, look at the countryside. Yeah.
I'll watch the road if it's alright.
Fortunately Taranaki doesn't have it down that low. We've been doing quite a bit of grooming up there.
still rocks up here.
Yeah, there must be a bit of wind blowing snow. The interesting test will be to see how that Subaru wagon in the car park is, if it still exists. That'll definitely be a good example on how much snow has fallen at the base area. We are arriving at base. There should be a mound of snow over there somewhere with a car buried in it. Unless they've already taken it away. Well, that must be gone.